Hi, welcome to SQL tutorial for data analyst. I have created this course for the aspiring data analyst or anyone who wanted to learn SQL from the very basic to the advanced level. This tutorial has been created with different topics which has been explained step by step for the learning purposes. If you can see it, we have created first how to set up an environment. By saying set up an environment means SQL database where from we can download SQL database, then where from we can download SQL developer, then how to create a connection by database through SQL developer. After creating the connection, we will start with the creation of the table, altering table, understanding with primary and foreign key. Then after data manipulation part, which will include inserting how to insert data, select command, how to delete values from a table, how to drop a table, then mathematical operations and some logical functions and or there are other miscellaneous topic like how to use substring, distinct values, counts. Then after joins, that's very important for a advanced level of SQL. Then group functions, how to group your values, sum, count. Then after I have divided this tutorial into three different parts: advanced topic 1, 2, and 3. In the first part, we will learn about view, how to create a view, what is view, then procedure, then function. Then after, we will learn about subqueries with clause, that is city, lead, lag, rank function, over and partition, case. These are very frequently used in the professional lives whenever we will be working as a data analyst. And a few small topics like trunk, to date, and to jar. So let us first go at how we will proceed in this tutorial. So first we will be creating a particular user HR, which is a sample based database in Oracle. So there are four different files are available. First file is account. So if I will open this account, so there are few functions that will help us creating our basic HR table, HR user. So let us understand first that how we will upload this file. As you can see, I have already an HR user created, but for your understanding, I will let you guide that first we will go in this folder option, open, then wherever we wanted to fetch the data, then we will go there. This is the one. Just pull all four values by selecting this and then click open. Four different files, four different files will be open like this. You will go in the first accounts, then run all these functions. So it will create this HR database, HR user, sorry. Then I will go in this file and will create our table. There are different tables. So we will create that table. And in the last part, I think it is a view that has been created. Then we will insert the data in different tables by using this third table. And in the fourth, we are just creating some index for the advanced learning. So please do remember, after creating first, we will log in. We need to log in with HR. So when you are creating, let us suppose training part. So it will ask by which user you need to log in. So always select HR in that. I think yes. So instead of using your training part or your system user, you need to use HR. So that table can be created in that only. So that was all for the introductory video. We will meet again in the real course. Thank you for watching.